Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar. Now, our Trade with Precision, our trading strategies are applicable to any market, any time frame. And sometimes there are going to be times that the forex market doesn't give us very nice trend. The index market coming strong into levels doesn't give us very nice trend. A lot of erratic movement, a lot of reaction to news. But we also have the commodity market, and I want to share with you a couple of markets that I'm watching closely. Beautiful trends on these market as the FX market, as the index market is going sideways and erratic. These market have a beautiful trend on them. So let's take a look. First up is soybean, and let's have a look here on the daily. You can see how beautiful the uptrend has been here on the daily. We consolidated below this level around the 1100 for a couple of days and then strongly broke above that level and currently pulling back into that level. So looking for the market to pull back into that level, into the buy zone. So I'm waiting for the market to pull back all the way into that level, reject that level, and then join this beautiful uptrend. The other market that I love the look of is sugar, and sugar has been in a very strong uptrend in the last couple of weeks, and we can see this beautiful uptrend here on the daily, respecting the buy zone. Huge buying pressure coming up, push the market away from the buy zone, and currently starting to pull back. Again, waiting for a pullback into this area around the 1800 round number, and then a reason why this market has finished the pullback and a continuation of that uptrend. And then the other market that I want to take a look at is orange juice. Again, very nice uptrend here on this market. We cleared this strong level around the $15 mark and currently charging on and continuing strong. Again, we are overextended and I'm waiting for a pullback into the buy zone, perhaps even into the strong level of 15, and then a continuation of this uptrend. And these are really nice, really strong levels, really strong established trend. When you look even at the lower time frame, you can see that there were lots of opportunities as the market is pulling back and continuing its uptrend. If we'll take just as an example one of the FX market, let's just have a look here at Euro Aussie. We can see the complete opposite to that market. You can see just a sideways action over here. The market can't really decide if to go higher and break the level of 156, or does it want to go lower. They're sideways, they're big candles, they're erratic candles, they're big wicks on these candles as well, and a lot of indecision just going sideways. Let's take a look at the S&P just as an example. So looking here on the S&P, well, we're coming up into a very strong level of support and resistance in and around the 2100, 2130, thereabouts. Now, trading just in front of a strong level of support and resistance could really reduce the outcome of my trade. I might not even be able to get a one-to-one out of that opportunity. So I'm looking for market that have nice flowing trend in them and also good reward to risk. So if you want to know more about those trading strategy that we can utilize in any market and any time frame, then please join us on our next webinar. So it's going to run today either at 9 p.m. Auckland or at 8 p.m. in London. In this webinar, we're going to discuss why a trading strategy is so important to trading success. What sort of action do we need to do around those trading strategies? What are the important part of those trading strategies and how to make it work for us in our trading? So please join us on this webinar. Wishing you a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.